Today, we would like to introduce you to our new machine Mistral Basic. For very simple control for top and bottom surface plus dimension, flashes and all other standard controls. Hardware has been improved, but most importantly, major achievements have been done to the software, much more friendly, meaning that everyone can use this machine, even an operator that doesn't know about the international standards like ISO or OLDIN for the inspection, for example, of O-rings. It's our software who takes care about the dimension and about the vision. You just have to select if you want to perform the control in Class N or Class S. You have to do only that. Everything is very simple to use, and we would like to show you how to use it. The first step is turning on the machine and introduce the password. Thanks to the advanced graphic interface, it's very simple. Now the machine is ready to start and tells you some alternatives of action. You can continue with the job you were doing the last time or start a new job. Otherwise, if you want to introduce a new item or recall it, you must choose the specific action. The machine will automatically set all the mechanical tools to the correct position, and it will start to work with the setting made and saved for this part. In few seconds, the machine is operating. If you want to do a new part and insert a new inspection receipt, press the button for a new part and the machine will show you what to do, indicating to place a part in this position. Now just press button Start Recognition. The machine starts all the operation, and you see that it's not necessary that the operator has a knowledge about parameters or settings or pixels, because it's a machine that knows exactly what you need in order to inspect this kind of part. The operator are just only to know and so select if for this part is required the inspection Class S or Class N. Now the machine is inspecting the part, just to know the dimension. The software prepares a device to feed the part because the procedure is completely automatic. The machine controls also the best condition of illumination. You can see the lamp changes the intensity because there are more than 2,500 LED in these lamps, and it works automatically together with the software to find the best condition for this part. When the first station is finished, the machine places the part in the second station just to regulate it. After a few seconds, the machine asks you if it's either a completely new one or a part that has already been inspected in the past. So the machine proposes you a list of parts already saved by you under your codification with similar dimension and conditions of light. If it's a part already performed in the past and you want to recall it, you can select from the list the correct item code. If it's a sample already done in the past, you can continue the sorting with the last batch number inserted for this part, or you can start back with a new batch number. Now the machine is transmitting all the information, and in a few seconds the machine tells you that it's ready to start the sorting, and you easily press start. Now we want to introduce you how the machine prepares all the parameters, the mechanical device, setting for a control dimension and general surface analysis for the inspection of a new part. We press the button for a new part, placing the part in the indicated position by the software and start the recognition. The machine checks the light, checks all the position to confirm a correct detection, and proposes to the mechanical device the correct position to have always the part placed correctly. Everything is done completely automatically. Here you can see the first step is done. The second step is to adjust the mechanical device and check again dimension and also optimize the illumination. After doing that in the first station, the machine automatically repeats it in the second station. After this, we confirm to the machine that it's a completely new part by pressing this button, which is S to analyze a part with the best quality. Since it's a new part, we type its item code, and then we can also introduce a further description of it. Last but not least, the batch number. After that, since it's a new item, the machine starts a calibration procedure. Since we're not touching anything, this calibration is only to confirm the dimension we're performing, and the machine starts this procedure automatically. It makes this routine 3 times at least, just to confirm that the system is running very well. After this, the software tells you that everything is okay. This way, the inspection can start. Mistral Basic can also optimize your production flow. After starting the machine, you can optimize the speed and run faster with the inspection, even if the parts are made with different materials and different mechanical behaviors. Optimizing and going faster is very easy, by pressing only this button. After a few seconds of collecting data and elaboration of them, the machine speeds up the belts, table, disks, and as you can see now, we are running faster. If you're not satisfied, you can ask the machine to repeat the operation pressing the same button, and the software will do again the calculation, finding the best performance possible for this part. Simple controls, automatic optimization. This is Mistral Basic, but we thought of something more. If it's needed, you can adjust and find tolerances for a specific part. Of course, in an easy way. This is the easy menu for the opening of the tolerances of some parameters, specifically developed to fastly tune parameters without opening a big menu. If you open the page of parameters, just press this button. You have one window with 5 rulers for 5 kinds of controls. It's easy to move it. Graphically, it's like an equalizer. You can move the tolerances of the band, the acceptance of flash, the acceptance of lack of materials, and one surface zone to control. If you're an expert user and you know more about to use a machine, you have the possibility to press the expert button and the software proposes you the standard interface with lots of parameters.